Hi, boys and girls. Well, today's story is called The Cat in the Hat Comes Back. Many of you have already heard The Cat in the Hat. Well, this is The Cat in the Hat Comes Back. Yeah, so he goes away, but he comes back. And does he bring trouble with him? Well, let's find out. It's written and illustrated by Dr. Seuss. And this is our last book for this week, for the Dr. Seuss week. All right. Oh, look through the window, and who do you see? I see the cat in the hat looking at me. The Cat in the Hat Comes Back. Written and illustrated by Dr. Seuss. This was no time for play. This was no time for fun. This was no time for games. There was work to be done. So in the last book, the weather was raining. In this book, the weather is snowy. There's certainly a lot of snow there, like the snow we had the other week. All that deep, deep, deep snow, all that snow had to go. When our mother went down to the town for the day, she said, "Somebody has to clean this away. Somebody has to, you see." And then she picked out two somebodies, Sally and me. Hey, at least they're helping. And I see they're using a tool for their job, a shovel. Well, there we were working like that. Then who should come up but the cat in the hat? Oh, Sally said, "Don't you talk to that cat. That cat is a bad one, that cat in the hat. He plays lots of bad tricks. Don't let him come near. You know what he did the last time he was here." "Play tricks?" laughed the cat. "Oh, my. No. I just want to go in to get out of the snow. Keep your mind on your work. You just stay there, you two. I will go into the house and find something to do." Then that cat went right in. He was up to no good. So I ran in after as fast as I could. He just goes right on in. That's kind of rude. Do you know where I found him? You know where he was? He was eating a cake in the tub. Yes, he was. The hot water was on, the cold water too, and I said to the cat, "What a bad thing to do." But I like to eat cake in a tub," laughed the cat. "You should try it sometime," laughed the cat as he sat. Do you eat cake in the bathtub? I don't. My mom would not be happy if I did that. And then I got mad. This was no time for fun. I said, "Cat, you get out. There is work to be done. I have no time for your tricks. I must go back and dig. I can't have you in here eating cake like a pig. You get out of this house. We don't want you about." And I shut off the water and I let it run out. Not too many people have baths anymore. Most people have showers. Occasionally we get to have a bath. So he must have pulled the plug too. The water ran out, and then I saw the ring. A ring in the tub, and oh boy, what a thing. A big, long, pink cat ring. It looked like pink ink. And I said, "Hey, will this ever come off?" "I don't think." Yeah, when you sit in the bathtub and if you're really dirty, there's like a scum that sits on the water and then it leaves a ring around the tub. Usually it comes off, but I've never seen a pink ring. I don't know if this comes off. "Have no have the ring, laughed the cat in the hat. Why, I can take cat rings off tubs just like that. Do you know what he did with Mother's white dress? Now the tub was all clean, but the dress was a mess. Okay, he fixed one problem, solved one problem, but created another problem. That often happens. Then Sally looked in. Sally saw the dress too, and Sally and I did not know what to do. We should work in the snow, but that dress, what a spot. It may never come off, Sally said. It may not. But the cat laughed. Oh, ho, ho, I can make this spot go. The way I take spots off a dress is just so. See here, laughed the cat. It's not hard at all. The thing that takes off spots is a wall. Then we saw the cat wipe the spot off the dress. Now the dress was all clean, but the wall? What a mess! Oh boy, he seems to fix one problem and create another no matter where he goes. Oh, wall spots, he laughed. Let me tell you some news. To take spots off a wall, all you need are 2 shoes. Whose shoes did he use? I looked and saw whose, and I said to the cat, oh, this is really bad news. Now the spot was all over Dad's $10 shoes. $10? That's expensive. Those are expensive shoes. Yikes. But your dad will not know about that, said the cat. He will never find out, laughed the cat in the hat. His $10 shoes will have no spots at all. I will rub them right off on the rug in the hall. But now we have rug spots, I yelled. What a day. Rug spots, what next? Can you take them away? Yikes. Oh, don't ask me, he laughed the cat. Why, you know that I can. And he picked up the rug and he ran. That cat ran. I can clean up those rug spots before you count to 3. No spots are too hard for a cat just like me. He ran into Dad's bedroom, and then the cat said, oh, it's good that your dad has the right kind of bed. Then he shook the rug. Crack! Now the bed had the spot. And all I could say was, now what, cat? Now what? But the cat just stood still. He just looked at the bed. This is not the right kind of bed, the cat said. To take spots off this bed will be hard, said the cat. I can't do it alone, said the cat in the hat. Yikes, if he can't do it alone, who do you think he's going to call? It probably won't be Ghostbusters. It is good to have someone to help me, he said, right here in my hat on the top of my head. It is good that I have him here with me today. He helps me a lot. This is Little Cat A. Oh, that's unusual. Usually he has thing 1 and thing 2, but now there's another cat. Then Little Cat A took the hat off his head. It is good to have someone to help me, he said. This is Little Cat B, and I keep him about, and when I need help, then I let him out. Yikes. More cats? I'm seeing a theme here. If one is A and the next one's B, I wonder who's coming next. Then B said, I think we need Little Cat C. That spot is too much for A Cat and me. But now have no fear, we will clean it away. The 3 of us, Little Cats B, C, and A. Okay. I think more cats might mean, yeah, probably more trouble. "Come on, take it away," yelled little cat A. "I will hit that spot with the broom, do you see? It comes off the old bed and goes on TV." Then little cat B cleaned up the TV. He cleaned it with milk and the pot and the pan. Then little C blew it out of the house with a fan. Okay, well, that's pretty inventive. They're solving a problem. All right, this could be a good thing. "But look where it went," I said. "Look where it blew. You blew the mess out of the house, that is true. But now you made snow spots. You can't let them stay." Let us think about that now," said C, B, and A. Well, at least they're thinking about the problem. "With some help we can do it," said little cat C. Then pop! On his head we saw little cat D. Then pop, 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 pop! Little cats E, F, and G. "We will clean up the snow. If it takes us all day, if it takes us all night, we will clean it away," said little cats G, F, E, D, C, B, A. I'm noticing they get smaller and smaller as they're trying to fit under that hat. They ran out of the house, then we ran out too. And the big cat laughed. "Now you will see something new. My cats are all clever. My cats are good shots. My cats have good guns. They will kill all those spots." But this did not look very clever to me. Kill snow spots with pop guns? Yeah, that doesn't sound not to be. I'm thinking that doesn't look like a good idea either. "All this does is make more spots," we yelled at the cat. "Your cats are no good. Put them back in your hat." "Take your little cats G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Put them back in your hat and you take them away." "Oh, no," said the cat. "All they need is more help. Help is all they need, so keep still. Don't yelp." I'm thinking more help is probably not what they need, but maybe. Then little cat G took the hat off his head. "I have little cat H here to help us," he said. "Little cats H, I, J, K, L, and M. But our work is so hard, we must have more of them. We need little cat N, we need little cat O, we need P. We need little cats Q, R, S, T, U, and V." Whoa, they are getting teenier and teenier and teenier. Wow, they would get lost. "Come on, kill those spots, kill the mess," yelled the cats. And they jumped in the snow with long rakes and red hats. They put it in pails and they made pink hills, pink snowmen, pink snowballs, and little pink pills. This does not look like cleaning up. This looks more like spreading it around. Oh yeah, definitely spreading it around. Snow is not usually this color. Oh, the things that they did. And they did them so hard. It was all one big spot now, all over the yard. But the big cat stood there and he said, "No, this is good. This is what they should do. I knew that they would. With a little more help, all the work will get done. They need one more cat. And I know just the one." Let's see. We got all the way up to the letter V. So I'm guessing there's more cats. "Look close in my hand. I have little cat V. On his heads are cats W, X, Y, and Z. Z is too small to see, so don't try. You cannot. But Z is the cat who will clean up this spot." Wow. They are definitely too tiny. If we put them down, I think they would get lost. They might get sucked up by the Roomba or the vacuum cleaner. Whew.
Now here is the Z you can't see, said the cat, and I bet you can't guess what he has under his hat. He has something called Voom. Voom is hard to get. You never saw anything like it, I bet. Why, Voom cleans up anything, clean as can be. Then he yelled, Take off your hat now, little cat Z. Take the Voom off your head, make it clean up the snow. Hurry, little cat. 1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa, he is too tiny to see. I don't see him. Maybe you need a magnifying glass or a microscope, a scientific tool. Then that Voom, it went Voom, and oh boy, what a Voom. Now don't ask me what Voom is. I never will know, but boy, let me tell you, it does clean up snow. Maybe we should get some Voom. That would keep the snow here nice and clean. We could play in it all the time.
So you see, laughed the cat, now your snow is all white, now your work is all done and your house is all right. And you know where my little cats are, said the cat. That Voom blew my little cats back in my hat. So if you ever have spots now and then, I will be happy to come here again.
Yikes. I don't know if I want him coming again. I mean, he's kind of fun, but he also brings trouble. And that creates stress.
With little cats A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, and O, P, and Q, R, S, T, and cat U, and cat V, and little cats W, X, Y, and Z.
Well, that was definitely a problem they had to solve. That cleaning up of that snow. I'm so glad they had some Voom. There's some great cleaners around. Well, scroll on down and find out what you need to do.